Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and we're going to take a look at the Afro Goddess Lenormand Oracle deck. It's a traditional Lenormand deck, as in we have 36 cards, and they've added one on for the 37th, so for the Ankh. So at the beginning of the book, so I could say so any more times, do you? Right, savour the essence of the journey, for in silence we listen and in the stillness we feel, but only within the darkness can we truly see the light. Beautiful map of Africa. And a little bit about Andrea and the deck. A bonus Ankh card signifying spiritual rebirth and personal alchemy. There's a 92-page guidebook. She's actually quite descriptive in the book as well. So if I pop that to one side. At the very beginning, Andrea does explain a lot about Lenormand and how to use it. So you've got, if you use a 3-card noun, verb, adverb, 3-card pull, 5-card pull, the 9-card pull, and the grand tableau. So she goes through each of those, and then you've got each of the cards. Regard to the card meanings. She uses the fox as the job, I think. Let me just have a look. What did she put for the fox? I should instantly know. Yeah, I do. 14. Oh no, so she's sticking to the original meanings, but I know that when she reads them, she reads it as a fox. Okay. You pull the card, and then for each of the areas, so if it's career, health, or love, then you'll get the specific meaning. For example, if you pull the house, if there's a house reading, then you've got, if it's in love, you may be part of a safe and comfortable union. There are a few issues, harmony and balance reign. So this is her book and her little system. Right, okay. So let's look at the cards. They are the larger cards. There's the little tiny diddy ones that you get with the fingers crossed for a little bit of luck. We're on a journey. The house, the home, the tree, health and knowledge, the clouds. The snake. They've got like a slight linen-y look. You could read these intuitively actually as well. Oh, so we've got the god and the goddess as opposed to the man and the woman. So the spirituality. So she does explain how to read the 3 cards, the 9 cards, and the, I'm just going to grab the book again a second. So just to explain very briefly, let's say we've got 1, 2, and 3. So you've got a decision, and the birds is about birds are like a lot of noise, a chatter, gossip. I I would suggest that this is the out. So this would be a very noisy decision. So it wouldn't be an easy decision. It would be very, lots of people have lots of opinions. It's a decision that is affected. It's affected by all the chatter around it. Do you know what I mean? So it's not a straightforward decision. There's lots of people that have got an influence in it. And that's the descriptive word of the decision. And the outcome is the rider. So there is news coming as well. So it's about the fact that there's a decision to be made. The birds will be like the descriptive word. So it's a very noisy, very chattery. It's a very, I can't think of the adjective, which is a bit annoying, but it's like a very noisy decision. So there's lots of influences around from external influences. So an externally influenced decision. And then you've got here, the rider will bring news. So there's going to be a decision that's going to be made that will bring news. And news, unexpected news sometimes I find. And that's how you do the 3. So if you've got 5, then you would have, let's just put that like that and add 2 on here. That one and that one. Then you would go, this would be a central card. I didn't really mean to turn this into a Lenormand thing, but this is a central card. So we're talking about friendships, social, the birds. Let's see what she puts in here about the birds. See, she might just explain it better than I do. Well, you might do. This is my half a head brain today. It's full of it's communication. Communication exchange, so negotiations and restless activity, you know, like lots of people are getting involved. When you think of how birds gather and chatter loudly and fly about in a group, know that their nervous energy can lead to both negotiations and gossip among those involved. This is a time of great activity in your life, and you're possibly putting it in a lot of energy to get to your next destination. On the other hand, the birds can represent being distracted by this flighty energy, and you're unable to focus on your goal. You're going to have to quietness. If you're thinking about love, career and health, then you would read that central card. Let's say a love relationship, for example. The enjoyment of the single life, dating multiple partners and enjoying flirty conversations. So that's a lot of flirting, a lot of social stuff that's going on with regards to, so you would say to that person, right, you're really quite flighty at the moment, you know, in your love life. And actually from the past, it's about the fact that you know, you believed that it was like your decision. So it was decided by luck, really. So everything was influenced by luck. That's how it was in the past. But in the future here, look, you can see that you're becoming more focused. So you've got, there's news about a journey here. So it's about the fact that actually you're going to begin a new adventure, because the rider is some new news, some news. So a message is coming, and the ship is about journeys. So it's about traveling, it's about a voyage, it's about adventure, you see. So you've got a new adventure is coming in the future. That's how you read them. I hope you understood that. But that's essentially what's going on. So you're going to be flighty, but actually you hung on your luck beforehand, and now you're feeling things are going to change. So something's coming that's going to take you away from your past, from this flightiness. You've got new stuff coming in here. And this, if this was a love relationship, I would say, well, something's coming in. You've got something new coming in soon. It's going to come unexpectedly. And I feel that that would be from afar. So it's not right next to you. It's somebody who's traveling into you. Okay, so that's it. That's the 5. And then she does the 9, which is where you put 9 cards. And this is the past, present and future. That's how that's read. Okay, so I hope that you found that interesting. I will actually do a Lenormand. I do need to do a Lenormand video. I know that. Many of you asked me. So I will do that very soon, actually, because it feels like it's about right time, along with the other videos I need to do on the tutorial side. Okay, so that's it. I hope you found that interesting. It's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and this was the Afro Goddess. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.